Welcome back to another video. My name is Jenny Hansen Lane. If you would have told me that I would have learned these three things by running Amazon ads, I'm not sure that I would have believed you. I have run ads on Facebook. I have been teaching myself Twitter ads and Pinterest ads, but out of all the ads platforms, I'm blown away by Amazon ads for books. I haven't ran any products for, products on Amazon, only KDP books. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the three things that I've learned by spending $14,000 in Amazon ads. And it truly is, I don't want to say it's a kept secret, but I'm actually really surprised after 16 months of doing this, how cool it is. And I was coaching someone today, and when they started to have these ahas and their eyes widened and their jaw dropped, I knew that I needed to create a video so you guys can also be empowered to turn on Amazon ads. So I learned ads January, February of 2022, and just have really been in the weeds, took a lot of different courses, watched a lot of different YouTube videos. Some of those helped, some of them didn't. And then I started documenting and recording all the strategies that I've been using. And I developed around 18 strategies that I put in a course. But in this video, I want to share three things that contributed to my success on Amazon KDP because I used ads. The first thing is I found new keywords, and that helped me build out my low content and medium content and high content books. I couldn't have found these. I use Bookbeam, I use Publisher Rocket, I use BookBolt, I use Self-Publishing Titans, okay? But some of my best keywords came from ads. The second thing I learned is what my customers didn't want. And the really cool thing about this is leveraging the algorithm. Amazon knows the customers better than we do. So this has been a big difference, because if you ever feel like you're getting lost in the Amazon jungle, it's probably because you're not running ads. The third thing that I learned was the ability to scale. I don't have this experience organically. I created it organically after I turned on ads. And that's made a big difference in my publishing business, in this passive income stream. So this it's honestly make or break for me. Like, it's made such a huge difference that it's hard for me to imagine what this income stream would look like if it was all organic. So Rachel Harrison Son and I are teaming up next week to do an ads workshop where we're going to be diving into those three things: the hidden gems, the finding the right customers, and then skyrocketing sales. And I'm doing some bonus material, the profit equation class. And this is perfect if you're not good at math. That's me. And the ad analytics alchemist, about how to use the data moving forward. So if you're interested in taking your organic sales to the next level, this course is for you. If you're not really making money on Amazon yet, then I would tell you to keep working on your keyword strategy. You can go to jennyhansenlane.com/ads accelerator. I'll put it in the comments. The doors close on next week, May 23rd, because the class is May 24th. So please join us if you want to take your, low content sales to the next level. Love you guys. Peace out.